Hello, I'm Adam Gilmore, Fluorescence Application Scientist from HORIBA Scientific. I'd like to welcome you to our tips and tricks videos for fluorescence spectroscopy. Today we're going to be learning how to import class ID and concentration information from Excel and Eigenvector Solo in order to facilitate building concentration prediction models. Building a model from spectral data with Solo requires inputting the entry field data for class identity, spectral ID, as well as the entire concentration data table. Doing this manually can be a long and tedious process, especially when you're inputting hundreds of individual samples in a data set. We recommend using Excel to organize your data as a first step because this makes things much easier. Now, once you've compiled your X block or spectral calibration block and your Y block, which is your sample concentration table block, you can then use Excel to organize the data and copy and paste the specific columns and blocks of data into the Eigenvector Solo entry fields. Check out our other tips and tricks videos where we use Excel as a first step to organize your concentration and spectral information more effectively. I'm Adam Gilmore. This has been Tips and Tricks for Fluorescence Spectroscopy. Thank you very much for watching.